Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. C and welcome to Math Defined. Today we're solving one-step algebraic equations using multiplication and division. We'll work through examples with positive and negative numbers, decimals, and even some that might look tricky at first glance. Don't worry, every step will make sense. Let's get into it. Let's start with this equation, n divided by 2 equals -7. The fraction bar is just another way to show division. To solve this, we need to isolate the variable n. To undo division, we use the inverse operation, multiplication. We'll multiply both sides by 2 to keep the equation balanced. On the left, the 2's cancel out, leaving n, and on the right, -7 times +2 equals -14. So n equals -14. It's always a good idea to check your solution. It's quick and easy. Substitute n equals -14 into the original equation. -14 divided by +2 equals -7. It works. This next equation is similar, but it has more negatives to manage. What do you think the value of d will be? Since d is divided by -4, we multiply both sides by -4. On the right, the -4's cancel out, leaving d. On the left, -4 times -10 equals +40. Checking our solution, 40 divided by -4 equals -10. Our solution is correct. This one looks a little different because of the placement of the negative sign, but the process is the same. The variable w is divided by -3, so we'll multiply both sides by -3. The -3's cancel out on the left, leaving w. On the right, +9 times -3 equals -27. Let's check. -27 divided by -3 equals +9. Awesome. Now let's try an equation with decimals. Don't let the decimal numbers trick you. Lots of people make mistakes here. Can you predict the solution? First, isolate x by multiplying both sides by 1.6. The 1.6's cancel out on the right, leaving x. On the left, 5 times 1.6 equals 8. Let's check. Substituting x equals 8 into the original equation, 8 divided by 1.6 equals 5. Our solution is correct. So far, we've seen variables being divided by a number. Now let's switch it up. What happens when the variable is multiplied by a constant or coefficient? To solve these, we use the inverse operation, division. In this equation, x is multiplied by 3. To isolate x, divide both sides by 3. On the left, the 3's cancel out, leaving x. On the right, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. We'll check by substituting x equals 5 into the original equation. 3 times 5 equals 15. Let's try this equation with decimals. -0.5h equals 1.5. Don't worry, the process is the same. Our goal is to isolate h. Since h is multiplied by -0.5, we'll divide both sides by -0.5 to undo the multiplication. On the left, -0.5 cancels out, leaving h. On the right, 1.5 divided by -0.5 equals -3. Let's check our solution. -0.5 times -3 equals +1.5. Perfect. Remember to use inverse operations when solving equations and you'll get it right every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. And next time, keep math awesome.